Hello and welcome to this video. I will show you step by step how to log in C24 online banking. So if you want to log in, go to Google, search for C24 Bank. This is the keyword. Click the first website here. You will see this page. In this page, click on sign up, this option, and then go to credit portal. When you click credit portal, from this option, you have enter your contract number and your date of birthday. Choose your contract number in this case, and then choose your birthday. For example, this is your birthday. After that, write your contract number, and then click on next. You will and then enter your code here. After that, set up your login details. So this is how you can do. You can use also online banking in this option. When you click the first option, scan this QR code and then enter your 6 digits from your app, and then you can log in directly with your app. This is how you can do. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget to give like, share this